Morning children. Today we discuss 6th lesson social studies. Topic name is agricultural in India. Agricultural in India. Now types of farming, you know very well because of you are belongs to the rural area peoples. So you know about some of the news about agriculture. So what are the types of farmings in agriculture today we discuss. Agriculture is an age-old economic activity of old-age activity of economic conditions in our India. Over these years, the cultivation method have to change significantly depending on the characteristics of the physical environment. Technology, known how to the social cultural practices. Farming varies from the substance of the commercial types. So what type of oldest occupation in India means agriculture. More than 1200, nearly 12,000 years onwards, humans are started agriculture. By the next 10th class, we know about this information. So nearly 12,000 years we started agriculture. From this part onwards, we can discuss, we can observe. Most part are developed, means farming cultivation starting in the forestry started. Onwards they are collected more and more varieties, and also after they are introduced so many of the methods in the farming methods, so many conditions we can observe. So stop.
Start.
So we can observe these type of farming, commercial type of farmings we can today we observe. At present, different part of India follow the farming system as a practice. So North India, South India, whatever maybe we can observe that throughout of India, different practices are there. First of all, substance of the farming. In it is two forms or substance. One is simple substance. Second one is intensive substance. Simple substance. Second one is intensive substance farming. So what is meant by simple substance farming? This is agriculture practice on the simple patches of land with the help of the primitive tools. Which one is the primitive tools? Like hoe, dove and digging sticks. Which one the tribal people mostly cultivated in their forest area. The family and the community labors in this type of farming depending upon the monsoons. Naturally, fertilizers of the soil, sustainability of the environment conditions, such crop grown. It is a slash and burn agricultural also. What do you mean by slash and agricultural? Slash means we can observe fired that selected land where the woods are there, that one will fired out or the turned as ashes. In that land used for the agriculture. 2 to 3 years they are used for the agriculture. After 3 years that land turned as a barren land. That means not too suitable for the agriculture. That's why they left that land. Again they are going to another party areas. They started their same farming method again. This type of farming method name is called burn culture or shifting agriculture. That is we observed in tribal peoples most part in forest area. Second one is intensive substance. What is the intensive substance? It is practiced in the area of the high population density, where the population more and more there it is started. More population density on the land. It is the labor intensive farmings, where the high dose of the biochemical puts, irrigation or use the obtaining a higher productions. Commercial crops type of we can observe here, such as most part biochemical inputs, such as fertilizers, pesticides one side. Other side, irrigation canals, such as drip irrigation or in canal irrigation, sprinkle irrigation. Such type of methods are provided for the water facilities. Okay. Next, commercial farming. What are the commercial farmings? Most part high yielding varieties. Which one helping of the to grow more fertilizers and pesticides. With the help of fertilizers, pesticides, the commercial cropping are major depending on this one. The main characteristic of this type of farming are use higher doses of the modern input, such as high yielding of varieties, seeds, such as today you can see Bandalu in Telugu we call it is Veya Padrakalu, Veya Varakam, 1001, 1010, 50 for 32, Sona Masuri, Sannalu, such in different seeds. Today we can see a Bapatla, the agricultural university is there. Such in part we can observe the different of crops, Marteru and Bapatla. These chemical fertilizers, instance pesticides, are to obtaining the higher production. These degree of the complications of the agriculture varies from one to region to another region. For example, rice is common crop of Haryana, Punjab, but in Odisha. The subsistence crop. Plantation is also type of commercial farming. This is the type of farming a single crop grown in large area in India. Tea, coffee, rubber, and sugarcane, banana are the important plantations of the crop in our India. Okay. Tomorrow we discuss more part of what are the crops are more part crops are cultivated in various areas. We can discuss tomorrow remaining part. Okay, thank you.